Hi, this is Greg Del Haro. I'm a design consultant. I'm here today with Tori, who is the manager of the West End Wine Bar and Pub.
We just finished up the deck here, and there were a lot of decisions to be made. So we wanted to make this video to show you how we chose our materials and why we chose them as well.
So when we start the process, we want to meet with the client to understand their priorities, which will help us dictate the material needs.
For us, the vision was to preserve the historical charm that we already have, but we just wanted to bring in some modern enhancements and conveniences.
Knowing that these are their priorities, and this is a commercial deck, we identified that Trex Signature was the best decking for the project.
Once Greg suggested the signature line, we decided that, it was time to look at some colors. We fell in love with the authentic wood grain, and we decided to ultimately go with the Whidbey color.
We agreed Whidbey was the perfect color for this project, bringing a modern touch and also paying homage to the original flagstone patio.
Once we picked our decking out, it was time to move on and pick our railing.
Trex has a lot of railing options to choose from. In this case, we went with the Trex rod rail in black, so it seamlessly blended with the background.
Our favorite feature was the fact that we got to add a cocktail rail to the top of it. Now our customers get to enjoy the deck and all the space it has to offer.
To finish it off, to give it a seamless look, we use the Trex hidden fasteners. Hidden fasteners are great because you don't have to drive a screw through the face of the board like you would in traditional decking. Therefore, you don't have to see the screw at all.
That was the bulk of the decisions that we had to make. So after that, it was pretty much smooth sailing. We got to move on to the fun part of picking out our furniture and really creating an environment out there.